everyone. We were doing chapter number 2, powers and exponents. We have completed exercise 1.1. Now we will be moving to the exercise 2.2. I will be starting with question number 1. Evaluate. Its C part I will be doing. Minus 1 by 4 raised to the power minus 2. We have to evaluate this. Here you can see the power is in negative. We will make it positive first. So it will become minus 4 by 1 raised to the power 2. This will be equal to minus 4 into minus 4 equal to 4 4s are 16, minus into minus plus. So our answer will be this. Question number 2. Write the following in the form P by Q. Minus 6 raised to the power minus 1 into 2 by 3 raised to the power minus 1. This is also in negative power. We will make it positive. Minus 1 by 6 raised to the power 1 into 3 by 2 raised to the power minus 1. If you want, you can write the reason also. X raised to the power minus 1 is equal to 1 by x raised to the power 1. This will be equal to 1 by 6 into 3 by 2. 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. This will be equal to minus 1 by 4. Now simplify question number 3. Four raised to the power minus 1 minus 5 raised to the power minus 1 divided by 3 raised to the power minus 1. We have to simplify it. Simplify means to the lowest term where we can solve it. We will solve till there. Now this will be equal to, here bracket is closed, 1 by 4 minus 1 by 5 divided by 1 by 3. What happens here is the power is in negative, so we will make it positive first. So 4 will become 1 by 4 or power will be 1. Similarly 5 will become 1 by 5 and power will be 1. So I have removed the power. We will take LCM. 5 minus 4 into 3 by 1. I have converted this division sign into multiplication. 5 minus 4, 1 by 20 into 3 by 1. This will be equal to 3 by 20. This is the required answer. Now you can note it down this question. So we will be moving to the next question. Question number 5. Write each of the following as a rational number with negative exponent. तो जो भी आंसर हमें आएगा उसे we have to write with negative exponent form. So we will be doing its B part first. 4 by 9 raised to the power 6. See, what we can do here is we can solve it also. 4 into 4 into 4 6 times, 9 into 9 into 9 6 times. So whatever answer we will get, we will get in this form only, so directly we can write it. This will be equal to 9 by 4 raised to the power minus 6. Reason is x upon y raised to the power n is equal to y upon n raised to the power minus n. So this will be the answer. It's D part. Three by 4 raised to the power 2, then power minus 1 whole power 3. This bracket is known as square bracket, this is curly bracket, and this is small bracket. So we will be solving small bracket first. 3 by 4 will become 3 into 3 9, 4 into 4 16, power minus 1 whole power 3. This will be equal to 16 by 9 raised to the power 3. This is minus 1. Now we will convert it into positive and it will become 16 by 9. 16 into 16 into 16 by 9 into 9 into 9. 16 into 16 is 256 and 256 into 16 will be 4065. 9 nines are 81. 81 into 9 will be 729. So this will be the required answer. We can't solve it since we have to bring the power in the negative exponent. But another method also we can apply here. We can write it as 3 by 4 raised to the power 2 into minus 1 into 3. We can multiply the powers also. This will become 3 by 4 raised to the power 2 3s are 6, 6 1s are 6. This will be answer. This is the easiest way to solve. Now question number 6. Write each of the following as rational number with positive exponent. We have to write with this as positive exponent. So we will be doing it C part. Question number 6, C part. It's given 3 by 7 raised to the power minus 3 whole raised to the power minus 4. This will be equal to 3 by 7 raised to the power minus 3 into minus 4. This will be equal to 3 by 7 raised to the power 3 4s are 12 and minus into minus will be plus. This will be the answer. will be solving its D part as well. The remaining question you have to do yourself in your notebook and practice it again and again, then only you will get the concept of exponents. 8 raised to the power 3 into 8 raised to the power minus 4. Here what you can see, base is same, base is 8 and the exponent is minus 5, 3 and 4. When base is same, we can add powers. We can write it as 8 raised to the power minus 5 plus 3 plus minus 4. X raised to the power m into x raised to the power n is equal to x raised to the power m plus n. This property we have already read. This will be equal to 8 raised to the power minus 5 plus 3. What it will be? Minus 2, minus 2, minus 4. It will be minus 6. Now since we have to write the answer in positive exponent, so the answer will be 1 by 8 raised to the power 6. Question number 7, simplify. These are the question of long simplification type. Question number 7, A I will be doing. 3 by 2 raised to the power 2 into 1 by 4 raised to the power 4. Sorry, it's minus 4 into 3 raised to the power minus 4 into 7 by 3 raised to the power minus 1. This will be equal to 3 3s are 9 by 4 into this 4. This is 4 raised to the power minus 4. It will become 4 raised to the power 4 into 1 by 3 raised to the power 4 into 3 by 7. Now there is one way you can do it, 4 into 4 into 4 into 4, 3 into 3 into 3 into 3. In this way also you can solve, or 9 into 4 raised to power 4, 4 raised to the power 1. This is in division, so power will be subtracted. 4 minus 1 into 1 3 and 1 3 will be cancelled. तो नीचे क्या बचेगा? 1 by 3 raised to the power 3 into 1 by 7. I will explain it again what I have done. 3 3s are 9, 2 2s are 4. Then it was 1 upon 4 raised to the power minus 4. ये नेगेटिव था, इसको पॉजिटिव में कन्वर्ट किया, so it will become 4 raised to the power 4 into 3 raised to the power minus 4. इसको ऐसे भी रख सकते हो and you can subtract the powers, minus 4 minus 1, या फिर 3 raised to the power 4 भी कर दिया इसको. Now it is in minus 1 power, so it will be inverse 3 by 7 और power आ जाएगी 1. Now what I have done here is one more method I will tell you. Easiest method. आपको फॉर्मूला अप्लाई नहीं करना है, so what you can do, 9 by 4 into 4 into 4 raised to the power 3. 3 plus 1 4. I have डिवाइडेड दैम, मतलब उनको अलग अलग कर दिया है मैंने. 1/3 इंटू 3 रेज टू द पावर 3 इंटू 3/7. यहाँ पे 3 + 1 4 हो जाएगा. एक 3 को इसमें से अलग कर दिया है सो दैट आई कैन कैंसिल इट. ये कैंसिल हो गया. दिस इज ऑल दो 3 3s आर 9. दिस एंड दिस गेट कैंसिल. व्हाट इज रिमेनिंग हियर? 4³/7. 64/7. This is the required answer.